Tom, stop coughing. Stop being sick.
Okay.
If you stop coughing, you can get sick. It's gonna be okay.